Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. They're built on the same platform. It will work for both. If you need to find guys where the fuse and the relay for the Bluetooth, also known as the phone, fuse or relay, is located, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuse and the relay for the phone Bluetooth guys, okay, connection, we will demonstrate on this BMW here. Now, you guys have multiple fuse boxes in that car. Today we'll be working two. The first one, you need to open the passenger door, empty the glove box, open the glove box, empty the content, because on the very back on the right side you have a cover. Remove that cover. You pull that notch down and pull the cover out. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, we need to check two fuses here, one in a different fuse box, then we'll talk about the relays. Let's go ahead, zoom in, and if you come in that upper section, okay, let's zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see that guys. The very first fuse that we need to check specifically for the Bluetooth phone fuse, it's known as fuse number 4, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're talking about that 10M fuse here. Next, you need to locate guys fuse number 23. So 23, if you come in that section here, okay, next to the plug-in right there, you're going to locate the very first fuse, that 5M fuse. That's fuse number 23 that you will guys need to check. Then you need to open the trunk. Now here guys, remove that cover. Behind it we have insulation, lift it up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Here what you need to check now, one more fuse specifically, and we're talking about fuse number 118 guys. So that fuse, if you come in that row of fuses, that's 117, 18, that second 5M fuse will need to be checked. Now about relays, you barely have just a few relays in the car, but none of those are for the Bluetooth. It's controlled by the module, so you don't have a relay. Those are known as relay fuses. If you have a problem with it, always check the fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.